Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you my everyday go-to braid out. When I say everyday, I literally, okay, let me say every week because this is the hairstyle that I use every week. Most times I do my hair in the shower, so pretty much everything I'm showing you except I do it in the shower. It makes it quicker and easier for me. But today I was kind of tired and it was late and there was no way I was going to get in the shower. So I figured I would just use a spritz bottle. But yeah, so pretty much like you see, you're gonna need some oils. I use 3 different oils per usual. I'm always mixing oils. So this time I use grapeseed, almond oil, and olive oil. And then some tools you're gonna need is a spritz bottle. Right now I'm actually using a leave-in conditioner. It's by I'm blanking on the name. I'm going to put it in the description bar below, but that is a form of leave-in conditioner that I prefer. I don't really care much for cream leave-in conditioner because I make my own butter, so it usually just ends up being too much, and cream leave-in conditioners I just don't like them. So pretty much, yeah, I figure detangle. Before I start my hair, like a normal routine would be finger detangling before I even enter the shower. So I spent 30 minutes finger detangling, and yeah, after that, I braid my hair and braid and continue to braid because my hair is long. But yeah, so pretty much that is it, folks. I hope you all enjoy this video. This is literally what I do to my hair every week. For those of you who keep asking how I grow my hair, these are the tips that I'm sharing with you. This is my go-to hairstyle. I keep my hair in this style 99% of the time. And after I'm done, I tie a do-rag. Y'all, when I am home, I'm always in a do-rag. But this is the finished result. I feel like I'm going to redo this again. No, I don't want to redo this again. So this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you later. Love you. Bye.